at 45, see?
Alright,
So watch him, man.
yeah.
How are you forget, babes?
Forget my prized possession.
Radcliffe, what you do here? You pass George outside? Can you see if him ever come here come see you?
And good day to you too. Yo, I think we pass the stage now. You can see me and say, hello, everything alright?
Not when you invade my space. You not live here. So what you do here?
Just come look for you. And to tell you the truth, kind of miss the place. Definitely miss you.
I said nothing, man. Then that me I tell him the palm we are go up on the hill right now. How we are talking about? I mean this, you know. Me know every back track and good track and alley for go up there, so me can't do up there anything. No. So tell me something. You know you're nothing more about the people in land title yet. Do you know? Alright, you know, me call you back. Say less. How poor people are going to afford them today? No, man, I'm going to make that call.
Why you make it look like say when you did there, me you did have some good type of relationship. Me and you never have nothing in common. You did just a stay here. May I ask if you leave and do not make George come back here and
Tell
say
him about the judge. You come talk about judge like him better than nobody else. Eh? You know think he need for worry about if him come and come see me, what got happen to him.
wait. I threaten my man.
Wow. Yeah, defend your man though. Can't remember with everything that you got through. You have a defense here.
Me, I take a bullet for you. Me will carry your weapons from one point to the other. And your mouth, make your mouth tell you say, me never defend you yet. Radcliffe, I beg you please, just leave my place.
Oh, Chin, you're back.
Yes.
King is here?
In the day,
Oh. Alright, give me a dragon in the meantime.
one.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, switch fire. Give me the switch fire.
Inside the dragon.
Yeah. Alright, thank you.
No,
No, me go. Keep it check.
thanks.
So, how much people really lose them?
Just have four of them.
Yeah?
No really get back even a time here.
Everything that they are talking about, you know. Look at the place. Look at it. I didn't see them there show you in the charge. We have to do something about it.
King man, people them can't afford us and where them a put up your say, you know.
So King man, what me want to know? What happened to the 4 people who lose their house?
No worry on yourself. Me have something to deal with. We are going to seal up all of this. But me have to do some further work. Let me get back to you with that chat. Yeah.
You care up the stuff, all up you say them a tear down to you.
Yeah, man. Come show me what.
You know, that I really need to come and talk to you about. Because 3 places I go since I left so. And place not feel comfortable at all. It's like the feds boy there watch me and feel like I need to come back to come jump for a while.
Ratcliffe. Them set up on me or something? My man look like him invisible to you? What you mean by come back here so come stay? You don't see some man there? You don't realize him there and me and him there? It seems like something wrong with you.
Babes, you might not know this now, but this is for your safety, you know. Cause if the feds them find me, your name of a call. So it's in your best interest to keep me safe.
Keep you safe with Radcliffe. And when me do in charge? Oh, alright. Me I put him under that table here. No, better yet. Make him more comfortable. Me I put him in that. Right there, son. You forgot to say yes, my man live. He look like you don't remember. Yeah, him live and him not going nowhere.
You don't know. He don't live nowhere. He don't have a house. Yo, make up a lie. Tell him a story. Cause when I'm ready, I just forward.
Yo, Mr. Wallace.
Kingman. Yeah, me the establishment come and see you.
Yeah? You reach? Alright. Me depend me we are come down for half a day.
So about what, 5 minutes?
5 minutes me there your phone.
Alright.
Say less.